साउथ की नहीं पर सी के सी पर
पूरा ফোন আছে যে দাদা কারা ফোনটা করি কি অবস্থা কি হচ্ছে না হচ্ছে কমেন্ট করে দিন
This is a sample spoon which is not silver. He has made these silver spoons according to the sample, copying the sample. He's made these spoons.
नमस्ते मैडम
Namaste, कैसे हैं?
ठीक है मैडम आप कैसे
हाँ मैं भी अच्छी हूँ. Thank you. So these are the spoons that he has made according to these samples. All right. And now, हाँ बोलिए.
ये है नेकलेस बनता है
This is a necklace being built with rubies.
स्टोन रूबीज
With rubies. When कब start करे ये necklace? Necklace was started 20 days ago. Now these rubies are going to be fitted onto the necklace. Just like this has been, these earrings have been finished. The necklace will be finished like these earrings. This will all be finished according to this. There are 10 people working over here. So these are occupied by 10 different people all around from the table. And they all come from Calcutta. Okay. And they start कितने बजे शुरू में
9 सुबह 9 बजे से रात को 1 बजे
They work from 9 o'clock in the morning to 1 o'clock at night. And then they rest after that 3 to 5 o'clock. 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock they rest. So this they blow to solder. एक कुछ सोल्डर करके दिखा सकते हैं?
अरे राजू पढ़ो तो तोलो ना ऐसे दिमाग बहुत दिन से ऐसे
हाँ नानी देख
He's using this इसको क्या बोलते हैं?
पांसिल है सागर ये पानी डाल के
ये क्या है?
सागर कैडेट है वो इसको इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते नहीं मालूम
किसको?
हम लोग बंगाली में स्वागर इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं इसको क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में
इंग्लिश में मेरे को मालूम पर नहीं.
पैकेट है लेकर था
हाँ?
पैकेट कहाँ देता
हाँ पैकेट कहाँ है बताओ.
पैकेट आज इलास्टिक कलर में क्या नाम है
ना मेरे को दे.
लेकर आ जाता है नहीं बोलूँ लेकर आता है लेकर आचे
मैडम इस पे कुछ भी लिखेशन नहीं ओनली वीआईपी टू ब्रांड लिखेशन
I know what this is, but I forgot it. They they're soldering the two tiny rods with, see now that the solder is taken. Now it has become one. Screw का हाँ अच्छा.
इसके अंदर स्प्रिंग डालने का है
Spring.
ये स्प्रिंग डालने
जैसा स्प्रिंग आता ना
Just see, can you see the spring? He's putting the spring into it.
इसको डालते फिर सोल्डर
फिर सोल्डर करेंगे. तो स्प्रिंग कैसा वो?
नहीं निकालते ये डाले तो ये नहीं निकालते
ओके अच्छा.
ये आप निकल जाते ना
हाँ ये ज़रा स्पून इधर रखिए, ये मेरे को दीजिए, ये दोनों दीजिए. हाँ. You see, there is this is made wrapped around like this wire, and then it is inserted into this hole here. As you can see, there is a hole. This spring is put inside and soldered. It goes inside here and it is soldered. Then when you have to screw the top, it goes inside and it can screw inside. Otherwise, if you just put it like this, it just comes out. You put it like that and it just comes out. But after the spring goes in and is soldered, then this would screw in properly. This small piece over here, this small piece here is made first, then it is put into the wax and several pieces like these are made. When these pieces have been made, then it is joined together and then this is made. After that, the whole necklace is put together like this in wax. And the final product will be this. Each piece is then put into the wax and placed together, and when the setting has to be done, this whole thing up into the gel. Now he is going to be setting these stones into the necklace, which is already put into the wax. Alright. This is a diamond and emerald set, the necklace and the earrings, which is ready. कितने में होगा ये?
ये total 5 lakhs.
This is worth 5 lakhs. कितने diamonds और कितने?
ये total 14 carat 85 cent diamond.
14 carats 85 cents.
14 carats 85 cents
Diamond.
diamonds.
और emerald.
And the weight
Gold.
is 120 grams of gold in this. So they put water and in a lemon, they put a lime and water and leave it here so that there will be, they are, that they don't have any bad nazar nahi lagna. What do you call to nazar nahi lagna? Sami, what do you say?
Bad luck.
Huh?
Bad luck.
So that they do not have any bad luck. Okay? See, he's just soldering over here. He put the spring into that, and now he's soldering. Can you see? Soldering and everything is done. I forgot the name of it.
What's that white stuff?
Yeah, that is called, I can't remember. We'll have to fill in the blanks later. He applies this to solder, then it is soldered. ये रुई है ये?
हाँ.
अच्छा. Now the spring has been set into that for the earrings. Okay. ये क्या चीज़ है इधर?
ये मोम.
अच्छा ये मोम. Mamun Singh.
Bapan Singh.
Bapan Singh. This is Bapan Singh. He's 12 years old and he's learning he's a trainee and he's 12 years old and he's learning this how to do this jewelry making. Okay.
Kesta Hora? How are you enjoying it? Ask him.
तुम enjoy तुम खुश है ये सीखने में?
हाँ एकदम.
खुशी है?
एकदम.
They're all from where? They're all from where?
They're all from Calcutta in Bengal.
Okay.
And they speak only Bengali. They eat here, they sleep here, and they've come from Bengal. They sleep here, they eat here. Two of them or one of them goes and prepares the meal for everybody. अच्छा आप लोग खाना कौन बनाता है?
खाना बनाने वाला भी है, उन्होंने गाँव गया.
कौन बना रहा है?
अभी हम लोग भी मिलते.
They have a cook to cook for them, but now he is away. So this gentleman over here is cooking for them. Now, so okay.